Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to teach you guys a really simple tip that you can implement in your chest training to make it more effective when it comes to masking your sunken chest. And so the simple tip, what it is I just want you guys to start holding your middle chest line when you're doing unilateral movements, okay? So you should be doing unilateral movements when you're training for pectus because unilateral movements are going to work your obliques and your core more to stabilize yourself, which is a really key thing. Also, unilateral movements will help you isolate one side and help maybe even out a muscle strength and size imbalance that may be there, and that could be accentuating the asymmetry of your pectus. And it's really common. I'd say like 80% of cases of pectus are asymmetrical to some extent. Anyway, what I wanted to talk about is this tip because not only is it going to help with asymmetry and is it associated with the unilateral exercises, but the tip is just going to make these exercises more effective because it's going to make you ensure that you're doing them and getting that good mind to muscle connection and feeling those muscle fibers engaging. And so I do it all the time when I'm doing like a unilateral dumbbell press. I'll put my opposite hand right in the middle of my chest, right where the muscle is inserting, okay, between one pec and the other, and I'm holding it and feeling those pec fibers contract as I press, okay? And then I also do it when I'm doing like a one-arm dumbbell fly or a one-arm cable fly, okay? It's a really great way to just feel those muscle fibers and help you establish that mind to muscle connection, because I find it's one of the biggest problems people have when they start training to make their pectus look better. They just can't engage their chest. They just end up engaging their arms and they just don't get that chest muscle development. And we want a full sculpted chest, you know, that's got muscle all the way to the middle of your chest and muscle all the way around your indent, and your lower chest is separating from your ribs. And we really want to establish a good mind to muscle connection so we're actually engaging those muscle fibers. And this is a good tip to help you do that. And so for example, I'll show you like me doing like a one-arm load dumbbell fly here, and you can see, so I'll put my hand here and I'm gonna squeeze, okay? And at the contraction, squeeze, holding there for a second, feeling those muscle fibers recruiting as I come across. I'll do the same on the other side. So it really helps me feel that connection, okay? And it's really going to help you too. So it's a simple tip, try it out, and hopefully that makes your mind to muscle connection with your chest better, makes your chest training better, and helps you make your pectus look better. So thanks guys, just a short video. If you're interested in coaching, then link will be in the description. Still have a few client spots available, so I'd love to coach you if you're interested. Thanks guys.